Welcome back to another video. We have a special video today. So a lot of people have issues with the sliding cup holder cover for the 2004-2008 Acura TL. So I just ordered this off of eBay, and the shipment is from China. So the sliding cup holder cover is for the Range Rover, but it works for the Acura TL. So let's take it out the package, and this is how it looks like from under, and this is how it looks like on top. As you can see, it looks much thicker, it looks much stronger. We're gonna see how it holds up once I install this, and I'm gonna do an updated video later. So this is gonna be a fun video. So first thing first, you want to make sure you take everything out from under the armrest storage. So we took off the radial trim pieces, and now we have access to the screws. So we're going to take these off, and then these right here. So we took out all the screws, and what I like to do is place them in order from the top of the screw to the second, the third, and the fourth. So this is how I place the screws, like this, so I remember which one goes to which, and we do not want to mix it up. Got the screws off for the passenger side, and then what happened is you're under the armrest center console. You're gonna take out this rubber mat. Let me turn on the light. Okay, that's better. What you're gonna do, you're gonna slide this up, pull it out. Yeah, I know I gotta clean and vacuum the inside, and then you're gonna have access to two screws. So we're gonna take these two screws out, and then we'll be able to slide this console back, and then we'll have access to the cup holder, and then we'll be able to slide it out. So we got the two screws off. Now we're going to be able to slide this and this back, and then we'll be able to take out the cup holder. So slide it back like that. Now just wiggle it, and then the cup holder comes free, but there's a clip or a plug right there, so we just have to pull the plug out, and then we'll be able to take out the cup holder completely. So we got the cup holder out, and we don't have to unplug it. You just have to push out the clip, and the clip is attached to this opening right here. You just squeeze it at the top and just push it through. So now to place the sliding cover, we have to take out 3 screws from under. So we're taking off this top trim piece. So you got 1, 2, and then 3. Do not take these out. We're just taking out the top trim, and then so we'll be able to put the sliding cover on top. So with the top trim piece out, this is how we're going to place the cup holder cover. And so we have 2 grooves right here. So you want to start from the top and make sure this is under these 2 grooves and not on top. So it's going to be like that, and then we're going to take the top trim piece cover, and then we're going to place it on top right here. So you want to make sure all the grooves and everything is lined up right here. Now that we got the top trim piece cover on, and then we have everything lined up under it, this is how it looks like. Now we're going to slide it up, and then we're going to slide it down. Now for some reason it doesn't fully open all the way because this is actually too long. As you can see, it stops right there. So you watch when I open it and watch when I close it, it stops right there. So this is how much space you have. So it doesn't fully open, but it's fine. Now we're gonna place 3 screws back on, and then we're gonna be able to place the cup holder back. So I got the 3 screws on, and we're gonna test it out again. I'm gonna slide it open and slide it closed, so it actually looks good. It looks better than the OEM. I just wish that it had that, you know, that metal or chrome piece right here, but it's fine. So now, remember I was telling you about the opening right here? So this is where you're gonna place the clip back on. Okay, we got the clip in. So I got everything plugged in. Now we're gonna test it out to make sure this lights up before we place everything back together. So we're gonna turn on the light. Can't really see in the video, but it's on. So now that we know it works, now we're gonna be able to slide everything back in. So we're gonna move this console back. And then move it back a little more. And there you go. Now just push this forward. And this is how it looks like. We're gonna open it. So it stops right there. And then close it right there. So I have a bottle. Let's test it out. So you have one bottle right there. As you can see, it holds pretty good. Now you put it like this. The reason why I like this, because you can place your cell phone or your wallet, you know, on top. So that's the farther it open, and that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and place the screws back on. See in the video, we got all the screws back in. And the 2 screws for the center console right there. And now this rubber mat goes in this way. Just like that. Now we just have to place the radio trim back on. Okay, so now we got the radio trim back on and everything is working. Now we're gonna test it out. So sliding door, close it, open, place the bottle right here. You still have enough space. And then if you have like a small can or like Starbucks or Mr. Brown, you can place it right here, and then you can actually cover it or open it. Like I say in an earlier video, leave it right here. I like this cover because I can place my cell phone on top of it, or I can place my wallet on top of it. So this is how you install the sliding cup holder cover for 2004-2008 Acura TL. If you have any question, feel free to leave me a message in the comment section. I will respond back, or if you need the link to this sliding cover, I can send you the link. All right, thanks for watching and be safe.